Are you tired of wrestling with stubborn screws or wasting precious time with manual drivers? Ever wondered which cordless screwdriver is truly worth your money? Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional, or just someone who wants to make home projects easier, finding the right cordless screwdriver can make all the difference. Today, I'll be counting down the top 6 cordless screwdrivers, sharing my hands-on experiences, highlighting their standout features, and pointing out where a few fall short. Let's dive in and find out which tool deserves a spot in your toolbox. 6. HYCHIKA SD4F. Starting off our list is the HYCHIKA SD4F, a budget-friendly cordless screwdriver that packs a surprising number of features for its price point. Right out of the box, you get a compact tool that's lightweight and easy to maneuver, perfect for quick fixes around the house or assembling flat-pack furniture. The SD4F comes with a generous selection of bits, including star, hex, and square options, making it versatile enough for most household tasks. One of the features I appreciated during testing was the adjustable handle. You can switch between a straight or pistol grip, which really helps when working in tight spaces or at awkward angles. The built-in LED light is a thoughtful addition, illuminating your work area and making it easier to see what you're doing, especially in dim corners. Charging is straightforward with a micro USB port, and the 2000 mAh battery holds up well for light-duty jobs. However, while the HYCHIKA SD4F is excellent for small tasks like assembling furniture, hanging pictures, or working on toys, it does have its limitations. With a maximum torque of 6 Nm, it's simply not built for heavy-duty work or driving screws into dense materials. During my tests, it struggled with longer screws and harder woods, and the lack of a torque adjustment feature means you have to be careful not to overdrive or strip delicate screws. Another drawback is the overall build quality. While the tool is lightweight, it feels a bit plasticky and less durable compared to higher-end models. 5. Worx WX240L. Next up is the Worx WX240L, a compact and user-friendly cordless screwdriver that's become a favorite for quick household repairs. The WX240L stands out for its 3-speed torque control, allowing you to choose between 2.5 Nm, 3.5 Nm, and 5 Nm of torque. This flexibility is great for preventing overdriving screws in delicate materials, and the 300 RPM no-load speed ensures efficient driving. During my testing, I found the WX240L's slim, ergonomic design to be comfortable for extended use. The dual LED lights are a standout feature, providing excellent visibility in dark or cramped spaces. It comes with a 24-piece bit set, so you're well equipped for a variety of screw types, and the USB-C charging port is a modern touch that makes recharging quick and convenient. However, the WX240L isn't without its flaws. While it excels at light and medium-duty tasks like assembling furniture, installing fixtures, or working on electronics, it's not suitable for heavy-duty construction or driving screws into particularly hard materials. In my experience, it struggled with denser woods and larger screws, requiring extra effort or a manual finish. Another issue is the price. At around $40, it's a bit steep for a tool that's limited to lighter tasks, especially when compared to some competitors that offer similar performance at a lower cost. The bit holder is magnetic but not locking, which means bits can occasionally slip out during use, a minor annoyance, but worth mentioning. 4. DEWALT DWHD66719. Moving into the top tier, the DEWALT DWHD66719 Flex Drive cordless screwdriver brings professional-grade features in a compact package. With a top speed of 360 RPM and up to 44 nlbs of torque, it's well-suited for a range of assembly tasks, from switch plates to cabinet hardware. The 6-stage torque adjustment gives you precise control, and in manual mode, you can apply up to 124 nlbs for finishing touches. One of the standout features is the 360-degree flex drive collar, which allows for seamless slide-to-drive control, eliminating the need for traditional buttons. The bit secures in a collet similar to an impact driver, offering one-handed insertion and removal. The 4 LED lights surrounding the collet provide excellent illumination, eliminating shadows and making it easier to work in dark areas. During my tests, the DWHD66719 proved to be a reliable performer, for a wide range of household and light professional applications. The integrated 4V lithium-ion battery is long-lasting, and USB-C charging means you can top up the battery almost anywhere. At just 0.7 pounds, it's lightweight yet feels solid in hand, and the compact design fits easily into a tool pouch. While it doesn't have the ultra-low torque settings ideal for delicate IT work, it's still versatile enough for RC builds, drone work, and some electronics repairs. Just use caution around sensitive boards. The lack of extra bells and whistles keeps it straightforward and easy to use, though some may miss features like a digital display or more advanced torque settings. 3. Fanttik S1. Taking the third spot is the Fanttik S1, a modern cordless screwdriver designed with precision and versatility in mind. The S1's foldable design is a real game changer, allowing you to adjust the handle to 4 different angles for maximum comfort and access in tight spaces. The build quality is top-notch, with a sturdy feel and a sleek, matte finish that looks as good as it performs. One of the features I found especially useful is the precision torque adjustment, which lets you dial in just the right amount of force for delicate electronics or tougher household jobs. The digital LED display provides real-time feedback on torque settings, so you're always in control. The S1 also offers 2 speed modes, making it easy to switch between precision work and faster driving tasks. The included magnetic storage box and 20-bit set mean you're ready for almost any screw type right out of the box. The 2,500 mAh battery delivers impressive runtime, and USB-C charging ensures you're never far from a quick top-up. In my testing, the S1 handled everything from assembling furniture to repairing gadgets with ease, and the foldable handle made it especially handy for awkward angles and tight spots. The integrated LED lights are bright and well-placed, illuminating your work area for added precision. I also appreciated the overall ergonomics. The S1 feels balanced and comfortable, even during longer projects. 2. Fanttik S1 Pro. Runner-up on our list is the Fanttik S1 Pro, an upgraded version of the S1 that takes everything great about its predecessor and turns it up a notch. The S1 Pro features 3 torque levels, easily adjustable with a simple button press, allowing you to tackle a wide range of tasks from delicate electronics to more demanding household jobs. The robust construction and ergonomic design make it a pleasure to use, even during extended sessions. What really sets the S1 Pro apart is its innovative retractable design. The driver and all the bits are stored neatly inside the case, held securely by magnets. This makes it incredibly portable. Just pack it up, snap the cap on, and you're ready to go. The integrated LED light is bright and activates automatically, ensuring you never miss a detail, even in low-light conditions. During my hands-on testing, the S1 Pro impressed with its smooth operation and reliable performance. The forward and reverse controls are intuitive, and the locking mechanism allows you to use it as a manual screwdriver when needed. The USB-C charging is fast and convenient, and the battery life is more than sufficient for multiple projects on a single charge. The S1 Pro is especially well-suited for precision work, like electronics repairs or assembling intricate models, but it has enough power for most household tasks as well. 1. Bosch PS21-2A. Taking the top spot is the Bosch PS21-2A, a powerhouse in a compact package that truly sets the standard for cordless screwdrivers. The PS21-2A features a 12V max system, delivering a staggering 265 Nm of torque, far more than most competitors in this category. With its 2-speed transmission, 0 to 350 RPM and 0 to 1,300 RPM, you can easily switch between precision driving and rapid drilling, making it suitable for everything from delicate assembly to tougher jobs like driving screws into hardwood. The variable speed trigger offers outstanding control, letting you adjust the speed on the fly for maximum precision. The 20+1 clutch settings ensure you never overdrive or strip a screw, and the built-in LED light provides ample illumination, even if it could be a bit brighter. The PS21-2's ergonomic design and lightweight build make it comfortable to use for extended periods, and the compact size allows you to work in tight spaces with ease. In my testing, the Bosch PS21-2A handled every challenge I threw at it. From assembling furniture to drilling pilot holes in hardwood, it delivered consistent power and control. The included 2 12V max lithium-ion batteries and quick charger mean you're never left waiting. And the overall build quality is outstanding. This is a tool that feels built to last. The only real downside is the price, which is higher than most cordless screwdrivers on the market. Final thought. So which cordless screwdriver is right for you? Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option for light tasks or a professional-grade tool for demanding projects, there's something on this list for everyone. Let me know in the comments which one you'd choose or if you've got a favorite I missed. Thanks for watching, and happy DIY Genji!